What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Rocky the mascot from the Denver Nuggets. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the nose. We're going to start over on the left side. Let's draw a curve that goes up in the middle. And we'll bend that back down towards the right. Now from the ends, we're going to bend the nose coming down and then in towards the center. And then we'll fill the inside of the nose in black. Now from the bottom tip of the nose, draw a short line coming down. Let's go over towards the left side, go all the way around the muzzle, come down towards the bottom, and just pull that up in the center. Let's work our way around the right side, coming down, around, and just pull that in. Now I want to open up the mouth. Let's start on the left side, curve the mouth coming down, and then up. I'm going to step out and just trace that along the bottom. Let's add two small fangs along the top with a V coming down and then up on either side. And then along the bottom, add a curve going up and then down for the tongue. And we'll fill the top area of the mouth in black going around the teeth. Now just up above the nose, we're going to add a curve for a fold. We're going to go up and then bend that down. Now I want to place the eyes on top of that fold. Let's start on the left. We're going to draw an oval, going up towards the top of the eye, come around the side, and then bend that back in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up towards the same height, come around the bottom, and then back in. Now I want to push the pupils towards the inside. Let's start from the left, draw a circle, going around, and just pull that in towards the bottom. Do the same thing on the right. Along the top of the pupils, add a small circle for a highlight. And we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. And I want to draw the outside edge of the muzzle. Let's start from the bottom left, go around, go up, and then in. Start aiming towards the eyes. And then from the outside of the eyes, let's step out. I'm going to curve the cheeks, going out, around, and just bend that in. Let's line this up on the right. Going out, come around, and then back in. Now I want to close off the top of the head. Let's start over on the left side and go up. So I'm going to round up the head, come across, and then back down on the right. Now just above the eyes, we're going to add the eyebrows with the curve going up and then down. Now we're going to place the ears on top of the head. Let's start all the way over on the left side, bend the ear going up and then out. Let's line this up on the right, going up, and then bending that out. Now from the tip of the ear, just going to round this out, come down, and then in on top of the cheeks. Let's trace the ears along the inside. Starting from the bottom, just going to leave an even space gap going all the way around. I'm going to add one more fold underneath the eyes. Starting on the left, bend this up, and then out. And now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw the side of the body. We're going to start on the left side of the mouth, curve the body, coming in, and then down towards the hip. Let's line this up on the right, coming in, and then down towards the same height. Let's connect the hips with a curve, coming across the bottom of the shirt, and then back up. Now in the center, let's step down, draw a curve going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center. Go to the left side, draw a straight angled line coming down towards the heel. Move over towards the right and do the same thing, going down towards the same height. Now from here, we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, and this out, and then up. Let's round out the tip of the foot, come in, and then bend that back down towards the heel. Now you want to round out the top of the foot. Let's start up here, come in, bend this down, sort of aiming towards the heel. From the inside of the foot, draw a straight angle line, aiming towards the hips. And then we'll curve the shoe, coming in and then down towards the inside of the leg. Now you want to tuck the top of the legs in behind the shoe. From the hip, draw a straight angle line, coming down and out, leaving a little overlap on the ends. And we'll add a trim along the base of the leg. Let's add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. On the left side, we're going to step in, trace that curve coming all the way down towards the heel. Let's add in the toe cap from the inside of the foot, and this in and then down towards the sole. Let's add that symbol inside the ankles. Starting on the left side, draw a circle, going all the way around, and do the same thing on the right. Now you want to add that lightning bolt. Starting from the top right side, and goes down, come in, and then back down. Let's go back up to the top, step down, just trace this out. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the arm stretched out towards the side. Let's start underneath the cheek, draw a straight angle line going up and out towards the wrist. Do the same thing on the right. Now from the wrist, we're going to curl around the thumb. We'll go up, come down, and then just bend that in. Let's add those 3 fingers, starting from the outside of the thumb, go out, come around, and just curl that up. Let's layer 2 more fingers on either side. Starting from the left, come around, bend that up, and we'll do that one more time. Now going back up to the wrist, we're going to curve the cuff coming down and then in behind that bottom finger. So come down, and then bend that out. From the bottom of the palm, draw a straight angle line coming in towards the side of the body. Now you want to add a thick cuff along the outside, going around the wrist. Let's add a small oval in between the thumb and that bottom finger. So come down and then back up. Now you want to add a small circle pad on the tip of each finger. Let's start from the outside of the thumb, go all the way around, and then back out. Just going to mirror that over on the right. And I'll add that circle on the bottom of each finger. Let's move back to the center and add that simple mountain pattern inside the body. Leaving a gap in the center underneath the chin, draw 2 straight angle lines coming down and out. Now I'm going to create an overlap. We're going to step up, angle this up and out. Come down and out along the side. Now from the bottom, step up, go up and then down. And then along the bottom, we're just going to add a zigzag, going all the way across. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Rocky the Mascot from the Denver Nuggets. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to draw more characters like this, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.